2020 Jeep Gladiator. With less than 71,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as 4-wheel drive, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, roll bars, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, auxiliary input, aluminum wheels, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.